So in this video, we're going to look at the related acute angle for a given angle. Okay, so we're asked to find the related acute angle for the following angles. So what is the related acute angle? Let's graph this. All right, so we've got our plane, and we're going to graph this angle at 148 degrees. And remember, the initial arm or 0 degree mark is on the positive x-axis. So it's 148 degrees. It's not a very nice terminal arm. Lies in the second quadrant. So the related acute angle is the angle that the terminal arm makes with the horizontal. So we need to figure out what this green angle is. So how do we figure that out? We have 180 minus 148. So it equals 180 minus 148, which equals 32 degrees. So the related acute angle is 32 degrees. Okay, let's try another one. So 235. All right, so again, best way to do these problems is to graph. So let's do that. We're going to graph this angle, 235 degrees. So which quadrant does it lie in? It lies in the third quadrant. Okay. And then we want to find the green angle, so the angle between the horizontal and the terminal arm. So how do we find that angle? We determine 235 minus 180, and that will give us our related acute angle. And we get 55 degrees. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. All right, so again, let's graph. It's always best to graph. And 327 degrees is in the fourth quadrant. All right, now we need to find the related acute angle, which is this angle with the terminal arm and the horizontal. So how do we find that angle? 360 minus 327, and that equals 33 degrees. That's our related acute angle. So for these three questions, the angle measure was in degrees. So now let's consider radians. Okay, so here we have pi for radians. Again, let's graph. Oh, that's so nice. Let's use some straight lines. Okay. All right, so pi over 4 is in which quadrant? The first one. So our related, so let's see, this is pi over 4. The related acute angle is again the angle between the horizontal and the terminal arm. So our related acute angle equals our given angle, which is pi over 4. Okay, so now let's consider the next one. 5 pi over 6. All right, let's figure out what quadrant that's in. Again, let's graph. Okay. All right, so 5 pi over 6. Okay. So pi would be 6 pi over 6. So it looks like we're probably in the second quadrant. Okay. And we want to find the angle between the horizontal and the terminal arm. So this angle here is pi minus 5 pi over 6. That's pi over 6. So remember or recall that pi radians is 180 degrees. Okay. All right, let's have a look at the next one. Again, we're going to graph. So we have 4 pi over 3. Let's figure out what quadrant that's in. So pi radians is in the third, is a straight line. So anything less than that would be in the second or first quadrant. So I think we're in the third quadrant. Let's have a look. See if we're right. Okay. So then a related acute angles between the horizontal and the terminal arm. Okay. So in order to find that angle, we did 4 pi over 3 minus pi. And we're left with pi over 3. Good. And we have one more. And again, let's graph. All right, 7 pi over 4. I think we're in the fourth quadrant because 2 pi is 360 degrees, or 1 full revolution. And 2 pi is the same as 8 pi over 4. So a related acute angle is angle between the terminal arm and the horizontal. Sorry, let's label our angle. 7 pi over 4 is this large angle. And a related acute angle is 2 pi minus 7 pi over 4, which equals pi over 4. That brings us to the end of our video. So if you have any questions, you can send us a message at info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call. Thank you for watching.